Look at this beauty, the GoTrax GX2, man. I think I'm gonna try to attempt some wheelies on this, you know? I mean, it's got the power, it's got the wheels, it's got the brakes. So why not? Let's try to wheelie it. Ooh. All right, we got some grass here. We're gonna try to practice on this grass. Nice open field for us. All right, let's try our first wheelie. Okay, that wasn't that bad. Let's try a second one. Oh, okay, we got it up. We got it up better that time. One thing I don't like is that my rear brake is this, which is right next to the throttle, and I don't like that. I guess I'm just gonna have to live with it. If I go too far back, then it's wraps. Let's try our second attempt here. Oh, there we go. Oh, that was nice. That was a pretty good second attempt. Let's try third. Oh, nice. Let's try it again. That is tiring. Oh, that was my best one. Man, I really wish the brakes were on this side. I mean, I guess I can wheelie, but I can't like hold a wheelie because of this stupid brake. Actually, wait, I have an idea. I think this idea would be a little bit cooler. But I mean, honestly, nothing is cooler than a wheelie. Let's try to break it here. Oh, I need more brake. All right, I think it'll work a little bit better on the road. Oh, I need more speed when I'm hopping off. One more time, let's try it one more time. Oh, it left a little tire tread here. Let's try some off-road. Handle that easy. Oh shit, oh. I thought he was over, I thought I was done for. Alrighty. That was my best one, easy, that was my best one. I found out the power comes from the front, then the back. Look at this. It doesn't go if I have a breakdown. Holy crap. Let's try not to, oh fuck. Oh, I clicked the throttle. Holy shit. All right, wait, hold up. I'm gonna try not to break my wheel or break the scooter in general. I can't believe it has front power, not back. I'll have to look that up. It's got literally no traction. I'm slipping right now. Absolutely no traction. Oh, there's a puddle. All right, let's avoid that. I'm gonna make sure to watch out for dodge. What is this? Ah, I have no clue. All right, let's try some more wheelies. Oh, that was my best one. There's a dog here. I don't really want to disturb them and their fun time, so I'll head out. I got some pickleball. Oh, look at these bikes. That's so cool. Like, just look at that wall. Oh, that's so loud. Well guys, I think that is it for today. The video might be a little bit short, but I try to keep as much as the video in and as short as possible without it getting too boring. That was my first time trying the wheelies. That's pretty much it. All right, see ya, bye.